Welcome back to dptutorials. In this tutorial, let us see what is baseline, how to create and maintain them in the Oracle Primavera P6. In project management, a baseline is a reference point that captures the initial project plan. Creating and maintaining baselines is essential for tracking project progress and ensuring that the project stays on track. Now let's jump into the Primavera P6. Go to Project menu, select Maintain Baselines. Here you can see all baselines that are created for this schedule. You can give a name to your baseline, select the appropriate type for the baseline like initial plan, what if project plan, customer sign off, etc. You can compare up to 3 baselines to the schedule at one time. Now let's see how to create a baseline in Primavera P6. Open the project you want to baseline. Go to Project menu, select Maintain Baselines. Now click on Add button to create. Choose one of these two options, either to save a copy of the current project as a new baseline or convert another project to a new baseline of the current project. Let me select the first option and click on OK. If you select the other option, it will ask us to select the existing project and click Add. You can change the name, type and dates here. That's it, you have created your baseline. It serves as a snapshot of your project's initial state against which you can measure progress and identify deviations. You can delete any baseline by clicking on this delete button. You can also copy a baseline. As a project progresses and changes happen, you may want to modify a baseline project. Then you can restore a baseline project by clicking on this restore button. So it is available again as a separate project in the same node in the project hierarchy like this. After you make changes to the restored baseline project, you can return it as a baseline to retain the changes for comparison. Now let's talk about some best practices for baseline management in Oracle Primavera P6. Tip 1. Regularly update your baseline to reflect any approved changes in project scope, schedule or budget. Tip 2. Use the comparison features in Primavera P6 to analyze the differences between the baseline and the current schedule. Tip 3. Document the reasons for baseline changes to maintain a clear project history. So friends, this is all about creating and maintaining baselines in Oracle Primavera P6. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, please give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe to dptutorials.